Philippe Wauquiez de Journo, inventor of Polyter, Eaux, France. Between 80 and 96% of the water used for crops and gardens goes directly into the soil without being absorbed by plants. To hold water at their roots, this agronomist secretly developed a revolutionary hydro-retentive material 23 years ago. The cellulose granules have the unique capacity to absorb 500 times their weight in water in the span of just a few minutes.
If someone trained purely as a chemist, they wouldn't be able to discover Polyter. I discovered it because I'm trained in plant physiology, in agronomy, so I think like a plant.
And because they are entirely plant-derived, these granules containing natural fertilizers disintegrate completely into the ground after 5 years of loyal service.
Every root of the plant has its own well and food store, and so as the Polyter is added, the plant absorbs the exact amount of water and fertilizer it needs, and that's how the plant develops optimally.
The result? A dramatic increase in productivity and quality, accompanied by an equally dramatic reduction in water and fertilizer consumption, to the tune of 50%.
On the coffee plantation in Vietnam, we have 3-year-old trees that look like they're 7 years old, full of coffee berries, so that changes everything.
But with prices around 20 euros per kilo, it took Philippe several years to find buyers for his product.
I even had people from a leading French organization who said if it was so good, we would have already known about it. They thought it was a gimmick.
To date, 500 tons of Polyter have radically transformed thousands of hectares of crops worldwide.
My goal now is to create a groundswell and create a dynamic that allows me to manufacture thousands of tons per month to use on land that has been considered wasteland. Sand, even gravel, anything. There just has to be a little water, a little culture medium, and Polyter. With that, I can make anything grow.
So, are you ready to ride this groundswell?